If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term scalp position I had going on the AUD USD pair here for a sell position, as you can see, in on 2 contracts. Just looking to scalp out at about half or a little more than half of our total profit potential. Now that we are at a well-established strike and we are at the upper range of this area of price action that I was looking at prior to entry on this trade here. Anytime I have ample time left until expiration, in this case a little over 2 minutes, I will consider taking profits early if it is at half or more than half of the total profit potential within that time frame. So here we go ahead and take profits here. Boom, fantastic, a fantastic short-term scalp on that position there. That was right at our range. Anytime you're at a well-established in-the-money strike, a good rule of thumb also for risk management is if your in-the-money strike becomes at the money, you can look at the lower time frames, the smaller candle size. In this instance, for the 5-minute trade, you can look at the 1-minute candles and see what type of activity is happening in your range if it is starting to test the at the money zone. And if you're at the money, then your in the money strike becoming at the money will limit your downside if you cut losses in that zone. All in all, a fantastic short-term position here. Just wanted to bring you guys in and show you what I had going on for this trade here on the AUD USD pair here. A 5-minute contract and a fantastic profit. Definitely worth it to take profits early in this scenario, as it was a pretty close finish here. With that being said, guys, if you want to learn more about how to find these perfect storm trading scenarios just like you see in this video here, be sure to check out the Informed Traders educational package down in the description below. I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when finding these trading scenarios, just like you see here, by lining up price action, multiple areas of confluence by using different indicators at the same time. If that sounds interesting, be sure to check that out. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to anytime I enter and exit a trade, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sundays through Thursdays. I take trades on the higher time frames, the 2-hour contracts, and you can get in with me and the shadow group and get in on the action just like you see here, except on the higher time frames. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time. Peace! If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.